I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will begin by confirming prerequisites and starting the connection process now. First, enable CPU virtualization in BIOS or UEFI and reboot. This allows network bridging and device pass-through. Next, install or update your hypervisor so you have current drivers and security fixes. Then attach the guest editions or VM tools ISO to the virtual CD drive. This lets the VM communicate with host services. Once done, allocate a network adapter to the VM and choose Initial Network Mode. We move to now configure the VM network and services so the host and VM can talk reliably. If you need the VM on the same LAN, select Bridged Mode. If you want isolation with host access, pick Host Only plus NAT for Internet. Make sure to set either a static IP in the VM or a DHCP reservation on the host router, because stable addressing prevents connectivity loss when services restart. Enable port forwarding for specific apps, map shared folders, and add USB or GPU pass-through where needed. Finish by verifying connectivity and making the setup persistent across reboots. Install guest tools inside the VM, then reboot both guest and host to apply driver and network changes. This often resolves transient issues. Test by pinging the VM from the host, accessing shared folders, and connecting to forwarded ports. If something fails, first check firewall rules on both systems and ensure the hypervisor adapter is bound to the correct physical NIC. Then review hypervisor logs for errors. This single step usually reveals configuration mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.